Understanding, get back to me. A guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into a very common English phrase, get back to me. Understanding this phrase is crucial for both social and professional settings, and we're here to make it crystal clear. So, let's get started. Get back to me is a phrase used when someone wants you to respond to them at a later time. It's often used in business or formal contexts, but can also be found in casual conversations. This phrase is a polite way of asking for a response or decision after giving the other person some time to think or gather information. To better understand, get back to me, let's look at some examples. 1. In a work email, I'm currently out of the office but please get back to me next week with your decision. 2. In a casual conversation, I'm not sure if I'm free this Saturday. Can I get back to you tomorrow? These examples show how the phrase can be adapted to different situations, emphasizing its flexibility. When learning this phrase, be cautious not to confuse it with similar expressions. For example, go back to me is incorrect. Remember, the correct phrase is get back to me. Also, it's important to use it in appropriate contexts where a response or follow-up is expected. There are several variations of get back to me that you might hear. Please reply to me at your earliest convenience. I look forward to hearing from you. Let me know your thoughts when you can. These variations convey a similar message but can add a touch of formality or politeness depending on the context. We hope this video helps you understand and confidently use the phrase, get back to me. Remember, practicing in real-life situations is key to mastering English phrases. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning content. See you in the next video.